Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. By using this channel, I created educational videos based on the subject Maths, and I created some videos like based on Maths itself, Vedic Maths I am doing, and at the same time fast math tricks also I am doing, and I am doing crazy math tricks also, just by simple arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if you just want to make Maths as a fun, just please go through this videos, and I created the different playlists for each and everything, so you will have those playlists also. And students, we are solving NCERT Maths textbook for 6th class, and we are in 3rd chapter now, and I am solving 3.6 exercise. And now we are moving. Today's topic is LCM, least common multiple. Among the common multiples, which is the least one, that is going to become my LCM of the given numbers. That's what we are going to solve today. We are just going to learn that. Okay students, before getting started the video, I just want to ask you one thing, that please share, like, subscribe my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, just please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon. By that you never miss my updates. Okay students, now we'll start the class. I already said that we are going to find the LCM of the given numbers with the help of multiples, and after that we'll just go for factors. Okay, the first question, we'll just find out the multiples now. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120, 12 elevens are 132, 12 twelves are 144, 12 13s are 156, 12 14s are 168, and 12 15s are 180. Why I written up to 180? Because in 18 table also we are going to write up to 180, so that is the reason I just written. Okay, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144, 18 nines are 152, 18 tens are 180. Okay students, and now in this we are going to find out what are the common multiples. This is a little bit bigger procedure, so that is the reason this procedure will not use for much time. 36, 72, 108, 144, and the last one is 180. So we are going to write 36, 72, 108, 144, and the last one is 180. So here LCM is nothing but least common multiple. Among the common multiples, which is the least one, that is your LCM. Nothing but your 36. Now how can we check? We check in HCF also whether my answer is right or wrong. How we check? Whatever the answer we got, from that answer in that table those questions are there or not, we check. But here if for LCM you should check in reverse. Means in 12 table you are going to get, in 12 table you are going to get 36 or not, in 18 table are you going to get 36 or not, that you should check. 12 threes are 36 and 18 threes are 36, because it is multiple, 18 twos are 36. We are checking that it is the least multiple of those given questions, so that is the reason we should find out in this way. Now for this we are going to find out with the help of factors, not with the help of multiples. Okay, so what are the factors? And that too here I am using prime factorization method, like how HCF we done the same method. There is no change in that, but a small change in finding LCM, that we will see later. 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now in the same way for 90, 3 30s are 90, 3 10s are 30, 2 5s are 10. Now 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And whereas 90 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. So for HCF what we done? We'll just first find out the excuse me. We'll just first find out which are the common here. So in LCM also we have to do the same thing. And here we have 2 is common and this 3 is common. So first we will write the common numbers. And now we should write the leftover numbers also. This is the major difference in LCM and HCF. Now start doing multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are, we have to find out. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus carry 1 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. 360. So how we will do this check? In 24 table, are you getting 360 or not? So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, means 24 15s are 360. And 90 table, of course we all know that 94s are 360, because it is nothing but 9 4s are, and we just add 0 in the last. So my answer is correct. You may get it out the teacher, whereas HCF means highest common factor, but the HCF answers are very small, whereas LCM means least common multiple, but the answers are very big. Yes, actually we are finding that which is the common, very smallest common multiple. Multiple is nothing but the table, right? In the table of 24 and in the table of 90, it is the smallest same number, means up to that number there is no common number between 24 and 90. That is the meaning. That is the reason we will get LCM bigger numbers, whereas HCF smaller numbers. Because HCF is, we are finding from the factors, we are finding the highest number. In which factor you are getting, which factor is the highest one among all the common factors, that is the reason we are getting that is the smallest one, and because of multiples from the tables we are finding, so because of that reason it is the biggest one we are getting. Okay students, this is very major difference between LCM and HCF. And now we move on to the next question. Find the LCM of 40, 48 and 45. Now here we given 3 numbers to us. So for all the 3 numbers we will find the common factor, for all the 3 numbers we will find the prime factorization, and then which is common we will write aside, and which is not common we will keep it aside. Okay. Forty, 5 8s are 40, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Prime number we can stop. 48. 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, and 2 3s are 6. And now coming to 45. 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9. And we will write the factors of all this. We will write all this. 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. And now for 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now for 45, 5 into 3 into 3. So we are going to find the LCM for all these 3. LCM is equal to, which is common first we will write that. So in all the 3 things the common is not there. So 2 things we have a common, that we will circle first. Instead of writing 2 5s we can write 1 5 here, and instead of writing 3s we will write 1 3, and instead of writing 3 times, instead of writing 6 times we will write only 3 times. And now which are not common, 2 3. Now we will start multiplying. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120, 120 2s are 240, 243s are 720. Now we will check whether the answer is correct or not. So 40 table when you will get 720, means in 4 table when you will get 72. For 18s are 72, so means 40 18s are 720. And in 48 table when you will get 48 table when you will get 720. 48 table we don't know, so we will just simply go for division. 720, 48 2s are 96, so that is the reason 48 1s are 48. And from 2 we can subtract 8, so borrow, and this will become your previous number 6, minus 4 is 2, 12 minus 8 is 4, and 0 will come. 48 5s are 240, means 48 15s are 720. Now in the same way we will check for 45 also. As you all know that 45 2s are 90, we will go for 45 1s are 45, and 2 minus 5 is not possible, borrow, and this will come with previous number 2. 12 minus 5 is 7, and the 0 will come. 45 5s are 270. Sorry, 45 6s are, because 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. So 45 16s are 720, means my answers are correct. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class. So if you find this class is interesting to you, just please share it and forward with your friends. Thank you. And students, please try it your own, and just if you have any doubts, just please ping me in the comment section. Thank you very much.